I'm hearing you're refusing to cooperate. I got a knife and I got a pair of shears. Are you going to cooperate now? Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Cooking with Dave. I'm your host, Dave. Well, it's Turkey Day, so we're going to go ahead and get this turkey prepped up and get ready to go here. So, this is an 8-pound turkey. It's not going to take very long to cook, but anyway, what we like to do is first, I want to pat it dry, make sure it's all dry. Get all that dried out there like that. Then, after we get it all dry, come over here, and what we're going to do is it's called spatchcocking. And basically, we're just going to take the spine out. So, take a good sharp knife, come down one side of the spine, score it, come down the other side of the spine, score that. And then with a good pair of shears, you want to take it and cut it. Throw that to the side. You can put that in a stew for some dogs. I had dogs, so that's what I'm going to do with it. Alright? Then what we're going to do is, right here, there's a little bit breastplate. I want to score down a little bit. Push it like that, and that pops it open. And there it is. Push it down. Now, it will cook a lot quicker and a lot easier. You can take the wings so they don't burn and just tuck them in underneath. Alright? And make sure you get any little bones that come off, get them out of there. Take this, put this to the side. And then what you do is dry your hands a little bit. In the bowl here I have some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and I'm just going to sprinkle this around nice and liberal like. Take some ground rosemary here. Now I like rosemary chicken. Rosemary is, go ahead and flip her over, and same thing with the other side. Got the salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Now when you cook this, you want to cook this with the bone side down. The heat's going to come through and it's going to cook everything, and I'm telling you, it's the best and most tenderest turkey you're ever going to have if you do it this way. Now, poultry, always 165 degree internal temperature. You can take it off at 160 and wrap it, and the residual heat will bring it up to 165, but I'd rather keep it at, bring it up to 165, and then wrap it, let it sit for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then cut into it. That way you know that it's all cooked on the inside. Alright, now we got that done there. We got that on the stove. Like I said, you want to do it with the bone down. Grab their legs like that. Right on in. Put that in there like such. Now, my smoker, I'll set it at 250 degrees first, and I'll let it cook at 250 for about an hour. I'll come out and check it, and if I had to, I'll turn the temperature up from then. But you're looking at around a 3-hour cook. So, in the pot here, I have 1 stick of butter. Alright, 1 stick of butter. Again, fresh crushed rosemary. I'd say about 2 tablespoons. I like rosemary, so. And then that salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder mix. And then honey. About 2 tablespoons of honey. Alright? And what you can do is, you can put that right here on your smoker, and that butter will start to melt down, and you can mix it all together. And then as that turkey is roasting, we can go ahead and brush that on there and braise it up. So, yeah. When we come back, we'll show you the finished product. Here's the end of the turkey day that we're going to have here. I'm going to be taking this off the smoker. Before I do, I want to ask you a really, really important thing. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and leave a comment. Love to know what you think of it. All right? Anyway, here's the turkey. Boy, that looks good. It's been on for about 2.5 hours. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. It is just falling apart. Oh my goodness. Beautiful smoke on there. It looks great. Just falling apart. Look at that. Oh. That stuffing, absolutely beautiful. Oh, that's going to be, it's going to be good. All right, we'll put the stuffing back inside here for right now. Keep it warm. We'll shut the smoker off. All right. Let's see if I can do this tender, delicious. It's going to be so good. All right. Oh, look at this. Look at how juicy that is. Just dripping. Oh my goodness. Just beautiful, ain't it? Look at that. Well, you know what? Like always, gotta try a piece. I'm gonna give a piece of it to my cameraman. Oh yeah.
Big meal. Slap your mother.
That's butter, rosemary, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. That's it. Tender, juicy, delicious turkey. Try it. It's the best you'll ever have. Again, God bless. Happy Thanksgiving. Take care. See you next time.